Now, as of December 20, the Kingston East Division recorded a 59% reduction in murders. According to the latest statistics, murders in the division dropped from 61 in 2024 to 25 since the start of the year. The JCF says the reduction was bolstered by intensified operations and enhanced forensic capabilities. Robberies also decreased from 37 to 30, and shootings showed a marginal decline. The JCF is also reporting that the division's investigative success has been equally significant. This with detectives clearing 34 murder cases since the start of the year, representing a 136% murder clearance. Law enforcers noted that reduction in violence is also directly linked to the seizure of illegal weapons. So far, 38 illegal firearms and 698 rounds of ammunition have been seized. The division's targeted apprehension strategy also led to the arrest of 11 high-profile wanted persons, further disrupting criminal networks. Head of the division, Superintendent Michelle Campbell, says saving lives is the priority, and her team will not stop working to keep Kingston East residents safe.